All right, folks, here we go with car number 3. This is going to be a 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 101,000 miles. Original bright white from factory. This vehicle came out of Sonoma County, California, and it was a Probation Department vehicle. Folks, this is car number 3. Number 1 is gone. Number 2 is listed, and number 3 is going to be listed. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Folks, just so you know, I did have a used front bumper by GoRhino installed on this vehicle, along with 2 spotlights, LED spotlights. When I first got them in, there was nothing on them, but I wanted to load this one a different way. I wanted to give it a different look out of the other 2 that I got that remained the same. All right, I'll go ahead and cover all that with you as I walk around the vehicle. So let me start right here again. This is going to be a fresh window tint, 5% all around, kind of dark. You can kind of see through there, but not very much. So if you live in a high desert area, this is the type of tint that you want to have. Perfect color combination. No holes on the body whatsoever, except for the top. You have a black GPS antenna. I'll get close to that in a minute. Vehicle is equipped with factory backup sensors and backup camera. Folks, this is going to be the Police Interceptor 2016 Ford Explorer, all-wheel drive, 3.7 liter engine. That's the antenna that I'm talking to you about. It's solid, it's not going anywhere. Folks, once again, because I missed it in the beginning, this is going to be a 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 engine, all-wheel drive vehicle. Yes, that is correct. This is going to be an all-wheel drive. The paint on the vehicle looks very sharp, very bright white, so you can see me coming a mile away on this one. And once again, it's a super nice color combination on it. Okay, all steel wheels are nice and black from that department. Vehicle did come with Goodyear Eagles, 245s, 55 18s. They appear to be in semi-new conditions. Very meaty, nice tread on them. So we don't have to worry about tires on this one. Very nice. Folks, let me backtrack over here. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the front passenger side door was repainted white, and I had my paint shop color blend the rear right door as well, so they both look evenly. And the reason why I did have these painted was because they had one too many door dings, especially right here in this crease. The crease right here, very common, folks. There were quite a few door dings here that I wasn't really comfortable with, so I take it to my shop and I had them repainted. Those 2 doors were repainted, so the front right passenger side was repainted, and they blended the rear right door as well, so everything matches and it does look evenly. The paint looks super sharp. I do have about maybe about 2 or 3 little chips, nothing big to worry about. Here's one right here. All right, here's one right here. They're very tiny, folks, but because the car is wide, it pretty much hides all the little details. For the most part, she looks very sexy. Clear lights and lessons in the front. Those are going to be equipped with the factory LED lights, very bright at night. It looks a lot better than driving a Crown Victoria, let me tell you. Once again, this is going to be a good used GoRhino push bar that I had installed here with my equipment department. 2 LED spotlights. I had those reinstalled in the vehicle. Correction, not reinstalled, installed in the vehicle since the beginning because there was nothing there. Clock is ticking, so let's go inside the vehicle, folks. Let me show you what I got to work with. Folks, I do have a nice leather vinyl rear seat here. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring, as you can see, very easy to clean, folks. Very easy to clean. The windows on the rear doors do go up and down, and I think the rear doors are disabled. I'm not sure, but I cannot open them from the inside. So if you have passengers in the back, you're gonna have to open the door for them. Driver's side panel looks nice. Driver's side seat looks nice, no tears. Passenger side seat appears to be in new conditions. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Vinyl flooring in the front is nice, no tears. Let's go inside here. I hope nobody's leaving because the video is coming along very flawlessly. 3 keys. 3 keys is what came with the car, okay, folks? Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Let me get this going here. Alright, let me go ahead and clear this right here. Folks, vehicle does have 101,000 miles. Once again, this was a Probation Department vehicle, not your typical patrol vehicle, okay? Treated differently, let me tell you. Honk works. LED light does work. Map lights do work. Ticket light, red LED, white LED do work. Stereo do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. AC is nice and cold. Vehicle does have a new condenser. Once again, vehicle does have a new condenser, AC condenser. You got 2 cigarette lighters, they do work. USB connection, auxiliary line in. 1 hole, this is where I guess the wiring came. This metal plate stays with the car. I'm leaving it in place. You might find a use for it, okay, folks? Trunk. This is the release for the trunk. Let me see if I can get this to light up. This is the release for the trunk right here, folks, so make sure you open that up right there. Let's walk to the front. One last final look here. The clock is ticking. The texture in the steering wheel is very, very nice as well, folks. All right, so you got to hit the little trunk switch for you to open the rear trunk. All right, here it is. All right, also you have a ticket light in the back. Red LED, white LED do work. Okay, you do have a full-size spare tire in the back. There you go. Gas tube right there in place. Floor jack in the bottom. Okay, all right, let's continue, folks. Let me before I forget, I do have one door ding right here where the handle is. Because the car is wide, you can't kind of see it, but it's right here, folks, right there. Very small. It blends into the vehicle. You can hardly see it, and I almost missed it. I'm glad I found it, and I was able to tell you that there's a little door ding right there, folks. Once again, I thank you for your time, and I do apologize for taking too long on this vehicle, but I got to cover everything I can on it. I need to hurry up because I have about 2 minutes to go. Nice LED, folks. These are very bright at night, let me tell you. Very, very bright at night. All right, bear with me here, folks. This is gonna take me a minute here. Okay, this is not like the Crown Victoria where the hood just goes up automatically. Alright, folks, as you can see, the engine has been completely detailed. Vehicle doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. She is turnkey ready to go anywhere. Just gas up and go, literally. Engine is nice and quiet. Vehicle does have a little bit of a kick. It's a 3.7 all-wheel drive, so it's got a nice little performance package on this one. I actually like the way these drives. These vehicles do drive. All right, starting right to left. Brand new air filter, throttle body will service clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Fresh new 520 full synthetic oil service transmission. slash PTO was serviced. We did use Mercon LV. That's what the factory recommends. That's a draining fill. Coolant nice and full. Topped off washer fluid. Once again, folks, the vehicle does have a brand new AC condenser. You can kind of see it right there. It's new, so that was replaced by the department. That explains why the air conditioner is nice and cold. Brakes, they're new all around, courtesy of the Sonoma County. Once again, new brakes all around. I didn't have to touch the brakes. Great tires all around. I didn't have to do no tires, no leaks, no flaws. Vehicle is ready to go, folks. Did I forget anything else? The differentials were checked, they were full. We didn't have to do nothing to that as well. So this is about it. If you guys think of anything out there, just feel free to give me a call. Give me a call, text me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. Serious inquiries only, please. I'll appreciate that very much. I'm not here to waste your time, so I ask that you do the same for me, okay? One last final look at this beautiful 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. Perfect color combination here. I love the way this one looks. The push bar and the spotlights really changed the whole tone on this vehicle. Alright folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I hope I didn't forget anything, but if you guys got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Alright, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there, and please take care and God bless.